Hey guys, I'm back with another YouTube growth video. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 4 favorite tools that you have in YouTube Studio that you could be using to drive more traffic and more subscribers to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to jump into those on my computer. We're going to look at them and talk a little bit about how I'm using them to build my channel so that if you haven't started using them already, you can do the same thing. At the end of this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a little behind the scenes of how I come up with video topics for my YouTube channel. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in my YouTube studio. Thank you so much to everybody who is supporting my channel, by the way. The first tool that we're going to use, this is new, YouTube just put it out. It's going to be in your analytics, right? You're going to go to audience, you're going to zoom down, and YouTube has done this new tool of when your viewers are on YouTube. The dark purple is when the most of your viewers are on YouTube. This is such an amazing tool for us, especially as small YouTubers. The value of knowing when our viewers are on YouTube so that we can time our videos so they go live when the most of our viewers are on gives us the most chance of getting that click and having those people watch our channel. So for me, it's really in the mornings, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday afternoon. It's probably different for everybody. Don't go by my clock if you're tempted to, because this is also in mountain time, so it would totally screw you up if you are somewhere else. So check on yours, see what it says. But the information I'm taking away from this is really that I should be posting my videos probably at about 7 a.m. ideally, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Friday, if I want to have the most traction of getting people to watch my YouTube channel. Why this is crazy important to me is because if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that YouTube loves consistency. Just give you better traction if you are posting on a consistent schedule. But you know that posting on a consistent schedule for me is my biggest YouTube obstacle. This information, I gotta tell you, is really motivating me to make sure I have new content for you guys Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday mornings at the very least. The other important thing is I've read some forums, done some research, and it does take a couple hours for YouTube to place your videos based on tags and the content of your video. So for me, if the most popular time for my viewers is, let's say, that 9 a.m. in the morning mark, I really want to aim to have my videos get onto YouTube at 7 a.m. so that YouTube has time to categorize my videos so that it's ready and available when my viewers are on at 9. I'd love to know in the comments below what you think of this feature, so share with me because I want to hear from you. My next favorite thing in YouTube Studio is this. We're going to jump back over to my last YouTube video, and again, I have to thank you guys for supporting me in my small little channel here. This last video got a 7.4% click-through rate, which is, I think, relatively high, and it's been like that for a week, so thank you. I appreciate all the support. We're going to jump over to my video analytics for this video. In audience retention, we're going to hit see more. And that is a very embarrassing face that this lands on, y'all. Okay, so we're going to hit relative audience retention, and this is the bar right here that I am the most interested in and that I spend the most time sort of checking out so that when I plan future videos, I can use this information to my success. So the gray bar in the middle right here where it says average, this average is based on all YouTube videos on YouTube. Whew, it is hot here in Canada today and I am like dying of thirst. I also love these water bottles. Have you guys seen these with the crystals? Okay, back to YouTube Studio. Basically what we're hoping for when we produce our videos is hitting this above average or even more. That high mark would be amazing. So in this last video that I've made, that I put out there, I basically from the beginning I had a decent relative audience retention, but right here people sort of jumped off of my video. So that is teaching me to really front load my video with important information for you guys. It could be totally different for you guys in the videos that you make, but if you're not looking at this, jump into that and look at it for yourself. What are the areas of your video where people have above average retention? What were you talking about? What was keeping them interested? And try to build off of that. And when you see this huge drop of people who are like, see ya, what are you doing there and how can you maybe tweak that a bit? So that's my second favorite tool in YouTube Studio. Third favorite tool, and I really think this is a big one because I a lot of the times hear people talking on YouTube about tagging, how they can be using tags, how you even use tags to get more viewers to your video. And this tool you guys already have in YouTube Studio. Even if you only have a couple videos out, it should be there for you, and it's going to tell you what people are doing to find you on YouTube in YouTube search so that you can create a snowball and build your community that way. So let's see that guy. It's so beautiful in Canada right now, but it is hot. Okay. So to get to this, you are going to go back to your channel dashboard. You go to the Reach tab, and you're going to scroll all the way down to Traffic Source YouTube Search. Click on that, and it's going to automatically populate the search terms that are getting you the most views, specifically from when you show up on YouTube search. So this is going to give you really good information because it's usually bringing you over new viewers, and that's what you want if you're building your community. A couple things to note in this section, it's automatically gonna go to the last 28 days. So if you wanna look at this over the lifetime of your channel, you're going to need to drop it down there to see that, which is gonna be good information for you. I'm just gonna stick on the last 28 days. So for me, the videos that are getting me the most traffic in YouTube search are how to get subscribers on YouTube, which I love sharing with you guys. So I'm grateful that that's popping up. And also manifestation and gratitude journal, which is a little 2-minute video I made right here on my gratitude practice, because who doesn't love a little bit more gratitude and manifestation in their life? Check it out what it is for you. Your search terms are going to be there. So how can you keep catering to that community so that they want to keep coming back and visiting your channel on YouTube? Now the last YouTube Studio tool, which is by far my favorite YouTube Studio tool, you need to go back to your dashboard. You need to go to your analytics right here, and you need to go, it gives you your subscriber count, so that's how you know which screen you're on. You're going to click see more. This column right here is my favorite column in YouTube Studio. My last video, which I'll highlight, is there. That video has almost a 21% subscriber rate, you guys. So that means if 5 people are watching this video, 1 of those people is choosing to subscribe. That is more than the rest of my YouTube videos, and it's actually a new video. It's got the most views, so it is resonating with my community and helping me build my community. How I use that to continue to build my community and get my video in front of the eyes of the people that want my information is I set this as the video that plays if you're not subscribed to my channel, but you come over to my channel. So to find out more about that, you're gonna wanna watch this video right here. In that video, I show you how I specifically do that. Also, this is the video that I'm going to be using whenever I'm promoting my YouTube channel, because obviously it's the one that makes the most people stick around. For more information on promoting your videos, watch this video right here. I lay out all the things I do to promote my YouTube channel, and as I move forward, now that I know that this video is resonating with the most people, it's going to be the video I use to promote my YouTube channel. Okay, I'm super curious. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Drop me down in the comments below. What of those 4 tools are your favorite? What of those 4 tools do you see yourself really digging into that are going to help you grow your YouTube channel? Nothing makes me happier than reading your guys' wonderful comments. So please, if you haven't done so already, drop me a comment down below. Now I want to share with you a little behind the scenes insight on how I come up with my video ideas. It's really a little bit different. I do definitely look at all that information that I just showed you guys behind the scenes in my YouTube studio, but really I try to get quiet while I'm either jogging or driving and really let inspiration come to me on what I think I should be sharing with you guys and create a video based on that. And then once I have the general vibe or the general information and I make the video, then I go ahead and tag it appropriately. So it's a little bit in reverse of what a lot of people do to get their video ideas, and maybe it's a good idea, maybe it's not. I definitely haven't had a video go viral yet, although I'm waiting for my opportunity. But For me, it's more about really listening to the inspiration of what it is that I think my community needs from me. So for example, this video, I really wanted to show you guys the new feature in YouTube about the time that your viewers are on YouTube, but I also knew that there was a bunch of people who had probably already made videos on this, and I wanted my video to give you guys some extra value. So the short form is, how do I come up with my video ideas, behind the scenes sort of Q&A session moment, and I really just listen to inspired action. So if my gut tells me that that's a video I need to make for you guys, then that's the video I make. Let me know in the comments down below, do you guys do the same thing? I find that the videos I enjoy watching the most are really YouTubers who are putting their heart and soul and really have their heart on their sleeves when they're making YouTube videos. With that being said, I want to share a shout out for this YouTube video. It is Vincent Liu. I'm going to pop him in here. You're looking at him now. He has a wonderful YouTube channel. He's, I think, 150 subscribers away from that 1,000 mark. Jump over to his channel, say hi to Vincent, drop him a hello in the comments, tell him Liz sent you, and comment down below so that I can get introduced to your YouTube channel, and you might be a shout out in one of my upcoming videos. As always, I am so grateful that you guys are here. Thank you for helping me live my dream of creating a successful YouTube channel, and I will see you again soon.